Welcome back to the channel. Today we're processing down the rest of these cellular phones for the boards. Gold recovery, e-waste recycling. And the aluminum. Good stuff. Micro scrapping for show. Definitely need to have a little kit like this. Makes life easier. Too big. Gets down a little closer. Give me 1 second to figure out which bit it is. Too small. 1 second. I got a T5 Torx. T5. You can sell them whole from board sort without the battery for a flat. I think it's, I don't remember the price, but you get more money if you pull the board off. So that's what it's about. Pull these screws all off. And 90% of the ones we get from our computer person, phone repair place, they already pulled the batteries. Some the screens, but not all of them. We have a few more up top. Look at all that gold. Camera eye. Pop that ribbon off. It's got gold. Hang on to that. That's got gold. Camera eye's got gold. That little piece right there. All goes in the gold recovery bucket. Keep filling them up. Keep filling them coffee cans up. There we go. What's underneath here? Gasket right out of there. Plastic, trash. Put that right there. this a little bit. Plastic, trash, or glass. Put these off to the way, out of the side, to the side. No stick, I believe it's aluminum. There we go. Put that in with a dirty sheet. Pull some ribbons. They all got gold connections, so they all go in the bucket. Coffee can. Pull these metal pieces off. Sometimes they pop off with ease. Sometimes they're difficult. And difficult. Story of my life. It's all right. Just trying to get a corner to peel up. There we go. Pull this piece of metal off. I believe it's metal. Yep. Shred. And I'll depopulate all that. And I'm not going to bore you because I got a lot to do. But once I get that all cleaned off, then it goes in this bucket with all the rest of the cell phone boards for either gold recovery or selling the board sort. Don't know yet. Thanks a lot for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Stay tuned. Got lots of tablets. Take this little board off, and the rest is clean sheet. So, come across newer cell phones, take the backs off, pull the batteries out, get you a nice little kit like this, break them apart, put them in the savings. Thank you. God bless.